A bar magnet of magnetic moment M is placed at right angle to a magnetic induction B. If a force F is experienced by each pole of the magnet, the length of the magnet will be. Okay. Here, one bar magnet is there. This bar magnet is a bar magnet and is placed at the right angle to the magnetic induction. Right angle to the magnetic induction is, if it is like this, it is right angle, it is placed perpendicular. Okay. And the force experienced by each pole of the magnetic field means, so the top, this is means this is for acting in this direction. And if I'm going to take the north pole and south pole, it will be acting in this direction. And the total length of the magnet, I want to take it as L. And this is also the force, and this is also the force acting in this direction. And the total force acting, that is total M vector. And with the when there is B vector also here. In this direction, total magnetic induction, that is B here. Then the torque of the dipole. The torque of the dipole, that is torque, is denoted by the symbol tau. Tau is equal to, we know that, force into length, angular velocity. Then we can write this one as force is nothing but the M times B, M into B here, into MB into sine of 90 degree, because it is so placed perpendicular. Okay. Placed at the right angle. Right angle means it is 90 degree, that is perpendicular, that is sine 90 degree. We know the sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Then we can write this one as length L is equal to, we can write MB divided by F. Because sine 90 value becomes 1, the whole value becomes 1, means MB divided by F is the answer. Then the length we can take here, that is the MB divided by F. MB, F divided by MB is there, no, it's not correct. FF divided by B, it is not correct. Then MBF, so this is, I think it is this is by mistakenly they are given like this. This is MB upon F. Option A is the right answer here.